Grab your yarn and your hook. We're going to do a single crochet stitch today. So to start, we're going to want to make a foundation chain. And to do that, you want to cross over or under your yarn, grab your hook, insert your hook into your loop, and bring your yarn into your loop. Now, we are using our index and middle fingers to hold the yarn that we're tugging. And we're also going to be using our thumb and ring finger to hold our tail. And this helps you control the yarn a bit better and also your tension. Another thing to do for tension is to go up a hook size if you're finding that your chains and your stitches are too tight. We're going to insert our hook into our loop. You're going to pull your yarn over your hook and pull through. Again, bring your yarn over your hook, rotate your hook, and pull it through. Choke up a little bit on your tail, yarn over, rotate your hook, pull the yarn through. And now we have the beginnings of our foundation chain. So now we have a foundation, a nice foundation to work with. And just for the foundation row, we want to focus on the top of our braid or our chain. And that's going to be the left side, if you're right-handed anyway, the left side of the braid, right? So here, 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 and so on and so forth. We'll be putting our hook into those spaces. We won't focus on the bottom, just for the foundation. And now we're ready to start our single crochet. So we're going to insert our hook, not in this first chain, but into the second chain away from the hook. Like so. And then again, we're going to loop over, yarn over our hook, rotate that hook, pull the yarn through. Now we've got 2 loops on our hook, which is fantastic because now we're going to do it again. Yarn over, rotate your hook, and pull the yarn through both loops. And now you have your first single crochet stitch. And again, we're working in the top of the chain. We're going into the next space. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. One more time. Insert into the next space, yarn over the hook, pull through, yarn over again, rotate your hook and pull through both. We'll do this all the way until the end of the chain. Now we're at the last chain and we're going to yarn over, pull through both. And with that, we've completed our first row of single stitches.